With the gift there. What's it? Put that box the golden grand entrance. Vlogmas!
Day 22! We love Christmas, man!
What about you? 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 What about you?
Hey! Uno good girl there, uno good girl, Abbi, uno good girl there. Hello people, uno good girl there, uno good girl there, uno good girl there. Right, hey, many up. Oh my God, bad man, naughty bitch.
What's up, man? What's up, AC gang? You don't know my boy Capo day here, and today. Guys, Vlogmas are going to bag of things. We've been busy so much, people, but today, we'll be wrapping our Christmas gift for each other. So, guys, I'm telling you, see, Abbi there, right? So, you know, normally people like surprise with gift, and Abbi go buy her gift, I'm gonna know, Abbi go buy my gift, I'm gonna know. Yeah, I should know. Guys, we are pleased around right now. We're not gonna know it without each other outside, isn't it? So, we're not gonna make sure you go buy no gift by yourself and risk her going in danger. No, so we got to turn together and buy our stuff together. But. There's one gift me buy what she don't know about, isn't me? So when me buy that gift there, she never there beside me, so she don't know about that gift there. And I don't know what she buy for me.
But the day in the same place, but I wasn't your time for go.
Exactly. So guys, if you are new to the page, me know one game, I have to tell you from now. If you're new, please subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell and select all. That means when I post a video, you get notified same time, guys, same time. Yeah, and also subscribe to Abbi and Capo Comedy TV if you want to see more Abbi and Capo. Because over there lit same way, pranks, challenges, vlogs. No, not vlogs, but pranks, challenges, and enough wicked skito we do, guys. Also subscribe to Abbi's Madness. Yeah, guys, and also subscribe to Capo's TV. Subscribe to Capo's TV. Yeah, guys. So as I said before, we just come from town.
People, bear in mind we don't have any internet, so if you see that video late, just know say because we have an internet issue.
You're not internet, guys.
Yeah, we can't get mashed up sick and you know some work we did that up on our house.
So tonight when this is done edit, I'm gonna have somebody yard, TFM Wi-Fi, and upload and show now.
If we actually get a chance to do
it,
that,
yeah.
so we just not gonna know. That we still trying to put on the content phone knowing that we still not there on the internet. You know, but you know.
Yeah. So we're gonna give him now, guys.
And the house dirty right now. The house is very tacky and dirty.
The house is a mess. It's a mess. Oh no mind. How do we go fix it proper too? So now we're about that.
Please stop right through.
Yeah, so Abbi, you feel excited to wrap the gift them?
I'm tired of blow.
She's tired. Guys, you know I wake up early this morning and we got to bed kinda late last night, probably like after 12, I'm not sure. But now we have to get the gift them wrapped and thing. We already buy gift wrapping paper so that I want lad. Damn. So I got to give them now, people. We're excited for this wrapping thing. And then I don't know, say Vlogmas day one, or they make the Christmas tree, so I guess the gifts them go under the Christmas tree.
Yeah, because enough other people give under there.
Yeah,
like my sister and her cousins when they put them.
I don't want to go pick this up when I that thing.
Yeah, when I that.
I don't know.
Have them one thing.
Yeah, I know how we are work. You get me? Yeah, guys. So right now, let us jump in and gift wrapping stuff. 3, 2, 1. People,
watch good girl. New glasses. People are down at all, good girl went. Down at all, good girl jump and go. People down at all have some nice things. But you know, down there, have to be careful. People want to go so I'm going at the hostel. And I'm going to go so boop. I'm going to say, no, sure. Kiapa, I'm going to go so boop and take out my local shades. And I'm going to go back so, and I'm going to go back so. And take out my shades. I say, Kiapa, I got to get this. Kiapa. And I so come, I say, miss, I need this, please.
Tell them the truth.
Yeah?
It's a Capo. Say, miss. And Capo did it.
Alright, but say, Kiapa, go to her. I say, miss, I did the glasses.
Yeah, guys.
I'm going to go anywhere people go, but don't know.
Sometimes you try.
No, I'm afraid to thank people. We don't know. When you see me, I'm bad and bold, but I on that answer. People not really left me a real idiot. Right?
Abbi can't manage tone and talking to people.
I can't do it, I can't.
Yeah, guys, so she get the glass is nice, man. I like.
I'm gonna
And them have enough of that color, Abbi. Man, I like. If you have more money to buy enough more color, straight
But
to
then
you.
what you broke answer, we have to take
Yeah,
time
be very
money.
mindful of house spend.
Right,
But you know, guys, as I said before, it's time to
well, I'm gonna take out my shades, because I'm not spoiling.
shades. Check out Abbi nice shades. Down at home, Kingston. Oh God, man, it bad, Abbi. You bad, you know?
Right,
I love it.
I love it too.
Yeah.
Right,
So guys, you know, no, we are go wrap all the gifts that we have, but yeah, we don't have any nice box, you know, guys. So don't bother pre too much. I either have, isn't it?
Yeah, guys, so what have the let me look.
You look good. Yeah, you look good. Okay.
Yeah, guys, so I have the wrapping paper. Come on, you know, go for the wrapping paper.
I'll go for it right now. Don't worry,
Go
sir.
for the wrapping paper. So, people after we buy with nice clean wrapping paper, you know, everybody just want to open our business and talk about bigger pieces.
Yeah.
When wrapping paper, all this, I'm saying, no, don't come mix up in the AC gang wrappings.
Exactly.
Rachu! People kept on trying to block out the dog market, son. And a lot of women are really here. Yeah, guys, so this is the wrapping paper.
Christmas style, you know, Christmas wrapping paper, guys.
Yeah, I would have wanted the present. Alright. There's a couple of my things, so two things I know about, and the third one, in terms of about this, I will add I go buy it and then, you know, come back to me. So I don't know what the third gift. I'm gonna get him the third gift, you know. Well, look how much boy I do my third gift. Rachu!
So what's the first one? What's the first one?
Eh? This was the first thing, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, guys, cause them some me out here now. I don't know, good girl not ask so much. Good girl don't really ask so much. So I asked her this I want her to give them. I don't want to tell her like, two of them. But like good girl don't ask so much, guys. So man when I no like spend for a woman, I could have been a girlfriend because I don't ask her no.
I mean, I should say man.
Eh?
I like to spend on girls.
Yeah. I'm just a man who don't like spend for a woman.
Oh.
Yes, so guys, watch that. Me have two bags, right?
Yeah.
You know me? And I bought this right here. Can't keep a back here up and they have two Adidas bags. Two of them done for.
Yeah.
Come like say them go World War 20.
Tell them, man.
And I bought this as well.
Yeah.
I can't buy a walk bag and a knee bag.
Yeah, man.
So I say,
Live
no,
by the road,
I can't
you know,
buy
guys.
one bag. I got to buy two bags that I can interchange. Retro.
So those are my two gifts.
I
Well,
love
want-
it. I want it.
People-
Them always say what.
You know how long I want a wallet, guys. You don't understand how simple thing like this matters to me. A long time I want a wallet. I'll say, yeah, I forget the wallet this time.
Yeah.
So that's my
I'm saying,
gift.
yeah, don't worry. I'll give you a wallet for Christmas.
Yeah.
You know? Yeah, right. That's right.
I appreciate the thing, them, man.
Yeah.
The bag, them look good too, guys. I swear to you. I like this one a lot, cause it look like a sports bag.
Yeah.
You can go all about with a bag there.
Yeah, because I'm black, you know. I'm black,
Yeah.
you know, you can wear it with anything.
But this too, I like the burgundy pan. These people, I like it. I'll be going myself this time around.
So, guys, so we're going to wrap them here, you know. I'm going to also go back over there, so I'm going to buy some gift for my sister. She never do it, she never buy it, you know. So, I buy she gift. And I keep buy, you know, we have some little gift for you. Some little people. So, you know, give me one say, right you. Yeah. Careful. Yeah. Get the box them started, so.
Alright? Do road time now, people. Do road time.
Yeah. And people, Amazon box. What is? I careless this, I go and take it. No, my careless bad.
People know you have the box in the store. What is what have, you know?
Guys, we're
You
tacky
got
bad.
you got.
I'm sure it's a perfect non-tal. We're tacky.
Tacky.
T-A-C-K-Y or T-A-C-K-I-I-I. Tacky. Right. Oh, God, watch my son say a curl up over
You
there.
alright over there, sir?
I just let him sleep every minute. I don't know what kind of comfort him get over there, sir.
Oh.
Over there have good comfort. Right.
So let's do this, guys. Let's do this. Let's go.
So guys, Kepo come out of the room, right? Him got run this because him really know I'm gonna say the gift for him back for me. So me I got in here now. I know, try and put the things them together. What him I gonna get, he's supposed to get. People ask me say what kind of tacky. Because we don't have the box them and so. But you know we have to use what we have, right through, yeah, right there, so. Yeah guys, I know I'm gonna just like this. I guess so. I can even throw the wallet in there too. So you gotta be like one big gift. When you rang me, I say, oh God, my son, he need to be tomorrow. It gotta be one big gift. Oh no, when you rang me, I wouldn't rang me. Talk to you. One big gift and that's it. The boy don't need none more. Right you. What the wallet there? Blood clot. Right just so. And I am that. Cheap present him get. You want to say about my gift, so just stay tuned. When I'm finished with the wrapping paper and scissors, me come like this. So guys, after hours of waiting for nothing, Gabba just have come back in. But almost my job was sleeping there. I come through the door and wake me up.
Yeah, people.
Don't cap on.
So Abbi said you give it don't know boss. See look, you know one day?
But then I put bow upon it.
Oh right, it's bow. Put it from work,
So
man.
guys, as we say, the things them tacky. But you know we have to use our we not kill up ourselves because at the end of the day, what's inside the box more important. Right, sure.
And then the box I get tear right open.
Tear up right open, right
Bust
open,
open.
bust open, right just so, right
Yeah.
just so.
So she had the right thing. Take your time, babes, and don't get yourself what that?
We are called babes.
You?
Which been new girl
Alright,
that go
I'm not gonna
around.
lie. But me this girl body and she
Yeah.
said it sounds sexy, I call her babes. I start do it and then now I start call you so.
Alright, no, that's not bad at all.
So I'm gonna alright, let's say nothing.
That's not bad
Say
at
no
all.
more, say
Right, that's so.
quarantine and chill.
Quarantine, so we have to make sure, say, even though outside I'm going with a bag of things,
Yeah.
we try and enjoy.
Abbi, I struggle, guys.
But not struggle.
Should I help you?
No man, just tape me.
Take the back of
Tape for me. People,
I'm
good
not
girl,
struggle,
I need help. Independent lady.
Abbi is now ready.
Yeah, guys, we can't believe that the wrapping paper actually finished. Oh my god, oh my god. How
Yeah,
am I
guys.
gonna do this?
We might just buy more. Abbi catch thing fast and catch. So guys, she gonna put her.
Oh, yeah, no, this cap up.
Find me go.
Right,
chill.
that's so. Middle. People made that, like, honestly, that kill me.
Mash up on them sitting there.
That kill me, I swear. But that kill me, I'm still a chef, you know. Oh shit, people, no good girl there, I tell you, right you, but good girl I got pull through for you. You know, I just have my headache right now, and I don't like serious, because I have serious headache continuously, constantly. You know, so right now it's not too bad, but it hurt me. Every day my head hurt me. I can't take the stress here, people, so when ready for wrap the rest of gifts them, good girl I gotta try. I'm not even can do it.
Don't worry, baby, I'm not gonna help you. I'm
Uh,
gonna help you.
no way, that's it. Guys, on a good girl.
On a good girl there, on a good girl there.
On a good girl, find look at energy, so we have to go up on the road now because we have enough more people present for rap. So we're going to half a tree. Right now, and good girl, what do they know? Oh my god, I don't know, I'm gonna do this, right you. Yes, I'm gonna run half a tree. And then maybe keep end up trimming, I don't know, maybe not. And I think so. Cause I'm have to come back and help me. I don't know, yeah man guys. We soon when we're soon. Not tell them, don't keep up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a we call it now, secret.
Let's stay tuned.
What's up, guys? Look at Abbi face. It tell a story, people. Because I'm tired. Look at me. I'm well highly and tired right now. I'm not going to
People
do it.
with that. I
Oh
was
my
just come
God.
from apple tree. I would see someone who need us so big up on yourself, big up on yourself.
I've been using it.
When you ever see we pop down and stay read back, but
Yeah.
so we have to look through.
It's the real way, the real pop down way.
Yeah. So we have to look in at the streets, because you know we don't want to make ourselves a target.
Yeah, normal. And that's how things go. We are street thugs, you know, street people, you know, guys. Isn't it?
Yeah, I remember a good girl and bad girl in the street.
You understand? But yeah, we go have a three hour ago and trust me, look at me at them. Stress out people. Abbi face, stress out people. We feel tired out of buy one soup or two soup. Soup tastes good. Fish soup, guys. So now we're hungry. But here now, we don't finish the thing. So if we continue before we eat some food, so we have to finish up the gift wrapping thingy. So we can put under the tree over there, so. And then we can see everything, you understand? Because we're tired out people, not like. We beat out real bad. Christmas have way away. From Vlogmas day one to today now.
Okay,
A whole heap of work.
We are trying all out. As we said earlier, we have video, but we don't know how to tag a post because
Yeah.
there's no internet.
So if you see it, just see it. If you don't see it,
So we
try.
might get out 3 videos in one day
Or
before
something.
Christmas or
We don't
upon
know.
Christmas Day. We don't know.
But we don't understand. We don't understand. Because no struggle already. Struggle real guys. So yeah, that we are trying to show now. But I'll come back when we start wrap the other gift then.
And guys, remember when I said flexible menu tripod?
Yeah, so make sure you place
Yeah.
the order for your tripod.
We're going to inbox to our Instagram, Abbi_Carter.
Don't you so?
Right true, right true.
Everything
Yeah,
is
come and play. I hope I come and play the youth.
Baby, relax yourself. Act like you're a big man.
Yeah, boy, you can't try some water for me, please.
Okay, just say
Why
the
am I
word.
team back some water for me? I think I didn't want me.
Alright, I'm gonna do it now. So guys, I'm gonna teach some water now. Watch out. Good, you can teach water. No matter this way, guys, she ever teach Abbi water, you know. So teach back for your water now. She have one fancy something on her top of her bucket. So that's a really big. Well, guess what, guys? Only one gift is missing, and that's Abbi's present. So Abbi, forward with the gift, no, my friend. Forward with the gift there. Watch it. Put that box the golden grand entrance. Yeah. Abbi gift that now, people. See there? There, so there. Right there, so there.
Right, that's all. Watch that.
See there? Right there, so. Abbi a panty a show. Tear, your clothes tear. Oh, exposed. Yeah, guys, see there? She had to work for the gift, man. Give them there, people, so just make sure you know. Smash the subscribe button, you know, guys, car. Christmas lit, you know.
Right, bro.
Yeah. Over here, something already. Over here, have some pictures up now, go on.
Yeah, but what is this one our one?
Oh, yeah, tell me, boy, I won. Yeah, look at boy. Reds.
Right,
See there, guys? We are going out self, man. So, I guess on Christmas, they'll be opening our gifts.
Yeah.
Yes, guys.
Yes, I'm sure that enjoy looking at people. We just try to do as much as possible for your phone because we have been very busy.
Busy, man. Busy like this.
Right,
Oh, my.
That's right, so.
Yeah, guys.
Yeah, guys.
Boy, 7 lame out, guys. Tired out. AC gang, what they are worried, guys? Because today was a hard day. But we make it out.
Yeah,
Look
guys.
like you want to sleep still, man. Go on it.
It's bad. So, guys, I think I eat this, you know.
Yeah, guys.
I eat this, so.
Wanna see me again? New video now, go see me now. New video. Next video again. So.
Until then.
Oh, shut up.
Until then.
AC gang is. AC gang is.
Out, baby.